We're here at TEDxBeaconStreet, and I'm sitting down with Sonia Lowe, CEO of Fresh Box Farms. Sonia, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Teddy. Nice to be here.
Yes. So why don't you tell us a little bit, what was the title of your talk, and what was it about?
So the title of my talk is How I Became an Unlikely Urban Farmer, and really talking about the importance of high-density urban farming and how that's going to transform the way we eat, the way we live, and the way we treat our planet.
Yeah, so you're the CEO of Fresh Box Farms, high-density farming. Tell us a little bit more about that. Like, what does it look like? What does that mean?
So we grow food in boxes in 40-foot shipping containers, and we grow enough food in a 320-square-foot container to feed 1,500 families a month.
Wow.
With leafy greens.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we're not growing, well, actually, we're starting to grow fruit, but it's a lot of vegetables.
Yeah. That's amazing, and I'm assuming we're using, some sort of like hydroponic
Correct.
system.
Yes, and
Yeah.
it's rack-based, so we grow vertically.
Uh-huh.
And each of our containers can grow anywhere on the order of 3 to 20 acres worth of food.
Wow.
Yeah. And we do that with unbelievably small amounts of water and resources. So we grow using 18,000 gallons of water a year. And if you were to try to grow the same amount of food in a field, you'd need 46 million gallons.
Those are not the same number.
Nope.
That's fascinating, especially being here at the TED Talks, because there is so many conversations that are going on from other really smart people about, different climate change that's happening and the lack of resources and the lack of water. So it's fascinating and refreshing to have someone come in and be like, well, I mean, here's one solution.
Yes, I was really gratified, actually. A couple of days ago, there was an article written by the Freakonomics guys,
Yeah.
whom I really respect.
Yeah.
And they said, well, produce is not one of these things that you can actually densify. And I thought, no, you can, because we're doing it. And you can grow it close to urban centers.
Yeah. Did you write them like an angry email after?
No.
You need to.
I might write them a polite email.
Yeah, I'm sorry. No, that's fascinating. So, let's talk about this a little more. Why is this, TED's all about ideas worth spreading. Why is this an idea worth spreading?
Well, today, 40% of the world's land use goes to agriculture. And as the population grows, we're running into serious human-animal conflict, right? Where basically forests are being chopped down to grow palm oil. And if we're going to end up with 9 billion people on the planet, and we're trying to phase out pesticides or genetically modified organisms, we have to come up with a different way to grow lots of food in a smaller space.
Yeah.
And densifying and localizing food, which is what we do, is one of the ways that's likely to happen.
It's great. It's fascinating. It's something that you guys aren't talking about, but are literally doing right now. And it's really exciting. Well, thanks so much for sitting down with us.
Thank you.
Sonia Lowe, CEO of Fresh Box Farms. Her talk is called How I Became an Unlikely Farmer, and you can check it out at TEDxBeaconStreet.com.